In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the host of a Google Meet event. This could be particularly useful if you've organized a meeting, but then realize you won't be able to attend, or simply need to hand over responsibilities to someone else. It's a simple process that can save you a lot of hassle, especially in a professional setting. Let's get right into it. First things first, you'll need to navigate to Google Calendar. This is where all your scheduled events live, including your Google Meet events. It's the starting point for managing anything related to your meetings. Once you're in Google Calendar, find the event you're interested in modifying. You might have a lot of events listed, so take your time to locate the correct one. Clicking on your event will bring up its details, and this is where you can start the process of changing the host. Look for the three dots that appear, usually at the top or side of the event details. Clicking on these dots opens a menu with several options. You're looking for the Change Owner option. This action is crucial as it's the gateway to transferring hosting duties to someone else. After selecting Change Owner, it's time to specify who you're passing the torch to. Begin typing the email or name of the new desired host. As you type, Google will auto-suggest contacts, making it easier to select the right person. Click on their profile once it appears. This step confirms that you're selecting the correct person as the new host. It's a good point to double check to make sure there are no mistakes. Finally, click on Change Owner once more to confirm your choice. This final click is what seals the deal and officially hands over hosting responsibilities to the selected individual, and that's all there is to it. You've successfully changed the host of a Google Meet event. Remember, this small but powerful feature can greatly assist in managing your digital meetings more effectively. Whether it's due to scheduling conflicts or simply delegating tasks, knowing how to change the host of a Google Meet event is an essential skill in today's digital world. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on making the most out of your digital tools.